Here are 10 reasons why you should learn another language. Reason number 1 is to be connected to people. And by connecting to people, it is going to help you open your mind and explore other cultures, advance your career. It helps you better your connections at work. It feeds your brain because in recent studies, they have showed that learning two languages is going to improve your mind and memory and will help you over the long run to avoid getting diseases such as dementia and Alzheimer. It deepens your connection to other cultures because you are going to learn more about other cultures. It helps you see the world because not speaking another language is like wearing black shade kind of glasses that will not help you see the world in colors. Learning another language is going to open the gate to learning more languages because you will see patterns, and these patterns will help you improve your ability and skills to learn other languages. Become a polyglot. It helps you become a polyglot. A polyglot is a person who speaks more than 2 languages, and in that way you will gain opportunity in the country and abroad. It will strengthen your decision making because in recent studies they have shown making decisions in second language is going to help you make decisions that are based on reason. Gain perspective. By gaining perspective, you will look at things from a different angle, and that will help you realize the matters differently and from more than one perspective. And that is eventually going to help you over the long run become so professional at your work and at your travel. Have a wonderful day.